Great morning, friends. My name is Padma Krupanela, and welcome to my channel, and especially to this video. I'm making this video to show you how you can go ahead and make repurchases in Ayushmart. Okay, so first of all, you need to go ahead and log in to your ID. So I have one of the IDs here. I'm going to log in. Right, so once you go ahead and log in, you need to go ahead and make the payment for your purchases. So the payment you need to make is to one of these banks, the Ayushmart Bank, which is Axis Bank or ICICI Bank. So I have gone ahead and made the payment. And once you make the payment, just save the transaction summary as a JPEG or PNG file on your phone or laptop. So once you do that, now you can go ahead and upload that to your wallet. So how you go ahead and do is, you go to eShop wallet and say add fund. And whatever amount you have transferred, you have to go ahead and enter that amount. So I have transferred about 2,065 rupees. So the mode of payment will be bank transfer. The company that I have deposited is ICICI Bank, and the user bank, my bank is also ICICI. So you enter your bank details, and then here you have to enter the transaction ID. So make a note of that and enter that ID. All right, so just confirm it once again, 2052677 all right. And whichever state you have made the payment from, you can enter the state, and the date will be the date you have made the payment. Now you need to choose the file and go ahead and attach that file. Okay, and then you can make remarks here. So I'll just make a remark that 2,065 rupees payment made, and I can also enter the same transaction ID again. Okay. Right, so once you do this, you say preview. So it will give you a preview of whatever you have done. And then you can say submit. So now you will see on this screen that your add fund report is showing that request is pending. So here you will have to wait till this request status goes to approved. After it is approved, you can go ahead and make your transaction. So we'll wait for it to go ahead and change the status, and then we will resume how to go ahead and make the remaining payment. Okay, so now after I have refreshed, you can see that the request status has been approved. So now if you go to my add fund report, so under add fund report, you will see that this has been approved, and my wallet summary also, if you see, okay, yeah, eShop wallet summary, it will show that I have a credit of 2,065 rupees. So now we can go ahead and make the repurchase. So now you go to my orders and click on new order self. And I'm going to order it by courier. So select by courier and click on repurchase order. And when you get this pop-up box, just click OK. So here, if you have to give a different address, you have to give it here. If it's the same address, you can just click on same as billing address. Now the address that I want to send it to is different. So I'm going to enter the details. Okay, so I have the address. Enter the pin code. Okay, once you enter the pin code, automatically the district, city, state, everything is updated. So now you have the billing address. Now you come down to product category and you select what are the products that you want to buy. So let us say I want to buy 2 packets of Ayu coverage. Okay, you just click on that and say product will be added. You click on OK. So in that way, you go ahead and select all the products that you want. So I have the list here ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and select them. Okay. So I want one of this. Shine. So in this way, you can select all the products. You go to the product category, select, go to the item, and click on the number of quantity you want and say add to cart. So when you do this, and if you scroll down, you will see that your products are updated. You will see your cart here. So here you see the total amount I have to pay is 2063 and my total BV also is showing. So if your BV is more than 1000 rupees, 1000 volume, then your shipping charges will be 0. So here it's because my BV, total BV is 1006. So shipping charges are 0. So now again you come here and say mode of payment, click on e-wallet. So my e-wallet, there is amount. So all I need to do is just click on order. So once you click on order, it will ask you, are you sure to confirm this order? So click OK. So once you click OK, it will be processed. And there you go, your order is ready and you will get a customized bill in this way. So friends, I hope this video has been helpful. And you can go ahead and make your repurchases and share the same with your team members. So happy shopping and have a great time using Repurchase. We have a lot of offers this month, so you could go ahead and avail it. Thank you so much once again for watching this video and have a great day. Thank you.